another Walmart beauty box. Now the last boxes I have gotten, I have actually loved. I've actually had this box for a while. Reason why I haven't been filming, because I work in 90-degree weather, almost 100-degree humidity, so when I get done with work, I'm just like, I don't want to do anything, and then I just haven't been wearing like much makeup and all that stuff. But we're gonna dig in the Walmart fall beauty box. Now you guys have been following me for years. This is the box I've been doing since I started YouTube. I know it's crazy, but these are like $7 at a time, and you get it 4 times a year. So this is the fall beauty box. Now they ask you a bunch of questions when you sign up, so, and I can't tell you what questions there are because it's been a very long time since I signed up. But let's just dig in and see what we got. Now, some items are good size items and some of them are crap. So we will see. This looks like a crap. So we got that going on. Thanks, Walmart. So every time they give you like a little booklet, and then they give you everything that they give in here. I see a couple full-size items, but let's just dig in. So the first item I have is a Nautica Blue sample of the men's cologne. I think it's it's men's cologne for a women's beauty box. Women's beauty box, and we got Nautica. Yeah. So the full size for this is 26 bucks. This is kind of cool because my husband can use this when we travel. So a beauty box for women. But some women do like wearing men's cologne. Okay. Got that. Here we have this was it Latin Us Beauty shampoo, conditioner, and styling cream. I would try it. My hair, I've been trying to try different products, work on different things. So we'll get this. This is probably like maybe 2 days worth of samples, but we'll try it. We will try it. Then this is something new that I have been seeing at like advertised. It is a Olay cleansing melt. So it says there's 4 disposable pads. So this is kind of like it's a daily facial cleanser. As you see, it's got like little things. I'm not going to open it up. Well, let's see what we can do. The full size comes in a 32 count, so you basically get like a month of the cleansing wipes for $9.88. It says a daily. Well, seriously, Jennifer, we can't even get some package open. Okay. Oh, they're just like little tiny little wipes. So we will have to try that out. I will try it out. I've been cleansing my face every single night. So yes, we will try that out. The next thing we have is Current State Peptide and Caffeine, a firming eye cream, which is something that I actually need. This, I don't know how, this is half an ounce. So this is a full-size item right here. This is a full-size item. It comes to be $16.47. Wow. This thing right here is $16.47. So we will see how good this works. I might have to do a review on this. Otherwise, it'll definitely be in my empties video. But we will try this. It says, gently pat onto the eyes in the AM and the PM. So we will see. Yes, I will try this. But this says it's full size. So right here, this paid for the box. Okay? Yes. And then we have the Kristen S, which I think my mother-in-law uses this brand. It's Reconstructive Moisture Mask. It's a hair. It's for hair types. That's kind of cool. The full size of this, what is this? So this is 9.9 fluid ounces, and the full size is 6.7 for $14.97. So we will use this. I'm trying to like re-get my hair to not be so dry. And right now I'm using Native, I think it's Native, shampoo and conditioner. So we will see, but I will definitely try that. And then here's a cute little Degree deodorant. Now, I go to school and I'm in the hot sun, and there was a day I forgot to put deodorant on. And this is actually perfect to keep in my bag. Now, I don't use this kind of deodorant. I've been using other things. I actually want to make an individual video of the deodorant that I've been using because I am perimenopausal, and I finally found deodorant that worked after trying 5 different kinds. So I kind of want to make a little video for this, but it looks like everybody gets these two definitely in your box. You definitely get these, but yeah, this is just a little sample size. I think this is, you can probably even get this at Walmart. It says it's full size for this is $6.12. I think this is like $3 something or $2.97. But yeah, that was everything that was in my box, you guys. Kind of disappointing. They have a plumping lip makeup duck plumping lip gloss. That would have been kind of cool to get. They have a CoverGirl eyeliner. That would have been awesome to try. Maybelline mascara, again something I would love to try, and then they have the Ava NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, so that would have been something I'd like to see. But otherwise, my box is a little disappointing, but I did get one full-size item that I'm pretty excited to try, so we will have to do a little review of that. But I got all this stuff for $7, and you can get yours. You just have to Google Walmart Beauty Box, and you guys can check it out. But a little disappointed. None of this stuff reminded me of fall, but that is okay. That is okay because, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.